and today we're coming to you live from OBLUE Communication Technology in Shenzhen, China. And I've said Caroline is going to take me on a tour around the factory shop. Right, Caroline, ladies first.
Thanks.
Oh, watch it. And obviously the first place we're going to be starting for, these are the batteries. The batteries have been added already.
Yeah.
We're going to be doing the initial case assembly. Everything's going to be assembled there. They've just connected it. And you can see they worked very diligently. You need a lot of skill to do this. So as you can see, one of these have been assembled already. These are the 8849s, some of the tanks. So these have been assembled already, as you can see. So they've done all the screwing process and everything completely, right? So yeah, on the other side, that's where they completed the training. And now they'll be doing the testing. Every product after assembly, you need to test it. And as you can see, the first lady there, she is testing the screen, the sliding, the touch capacitors. You see that? Oh, can you tell us what test is that kind of?
It is a waterproof test.
So remember, this is a rugged phone. It's supposed to be very, very strong and waterproof and can endure camping or any of those tough, rugged assignments. And we obviously do a waterproof test there. What we call the software download area. And if you can see all these boards, these are the central boards, right? These are the motherboards for the phones, and they're all connected to the different computers. And what's happening, they are uploading the firmware, basically, the software that runs your phones, that runs all the tanks and all the products. So this is the drop test. So you guys, be careful. This is going to be very violent.
It's very noisy.
It's very noisy. So what here we're going to be watching is the drop test. So it drops from 0.5 meter to the meter, right?
Yes.
The distance about 1.5 meters. And basically he's going to put the tank in there. He's going to mount the tank inside. He's going to lock it. Then he's going to spin it. This happens 120 times. We're working with the tank over here. Let's show you guys one of the dropping tests. It's really great. Wow. It's really great. Oh, wow. Great. Oh, that's big drops. It's really strong.
Yeah.
No damage, no anything. It's really strong. These are really strong. So right behind me, you guys can see we are in Shenzhen GOOJODOQ Intelligent Company Limited. You guys know them as HOTWAV. Now, the HOTWAV is in the manufacture and production of your rugged phones, your tough phones, and that's what we're going to be showing you guys. And now we're going to be heading over into the lighting room. As you can see, I'm already dressed and ready to go into the production line. Right, and the beginning area. So, particularly for this production line and the phones we're making today, the first area we'll be beginning is, you can see the back panels. They've already been taken from the warehouse. So all the back panels are being assembled over here. So these are the backs for the mobile devices, the hardware that you're going to see. Everything already needs to be assembled before the electronics are added onto them. And it starts off as it's really already finished raw material. And as you guys seeing, they're going to be putting on the different pieces, the different little magnets and different attachments as we add the different electronics. We're going to check out the water test over here. So take a look at it. So take a look at it real close. So this is just the back panel. We're doing a water test on it already. And this is before even we continue assembling it to make sure everything is up to standards. Right? As you can see, it's already tested. So it just feeds in all the screws and it does it automatically. And this is a precision job. Make sure it gets a bit tedious as the smaller it gets, so it's a precision job. Everything goes down the production line over here and it's done. So as you can see, she's doing quality testing. She's checking if everything's still working together and all the different little tests. As you can see, these have been tested already. Some of them have failed, some of them have passed. If they fail, they get moved to the outside. If they pass, they move on to the next level. Also, not just battery testing, they also do screen aging testing to see if all the screens were put together and are working well. So basically what happens is the screens, they stay on the rack and they're on for an extended period of time. And that's just to make sure that everything is fully functional and working as it should be. So you're going to be adding the final touches, the final pieces. As you can see, guys, HOTWAV. We're going to be doing HOTWAV, and this is where we add the final pieces, the final touches to our devices. So these just get removed from the sticks and they get put over here and they get pressed into the final devices, the final phones, and you can see them over here. Where we come to you live from the factory. Not only that, today we are at the GOOJODOQ live
Yes,
stream.
GOOJODOQ
GOOJODOQ
factory.
factory. And I'm here with Selena. If you're looking at this area, if you just scan around, this is actually the big production line area. And what we're going to do, we're going to show you guys, well, some of the production line for, I don't know which product they'll be making today, but it's one of our, Selena's going to tell me which other product they're making today.
Yeah,
and we'll be heading over there. So everything I see is smoothing out. This is also the raw material.
Yes.
This is the material that falls in the tab. So this is some of that cut material.
Yes.
The one we show you guys, the one we saw in the video,
here,
basically.
You can see, from here you can see the letters on the machine.
Yeah.
And they cut it,
And it's pressed onto.
the keys on it.
Wow. So one of the things you notice is how precise the cutting machine. They cut with so much precision that they literally just fit in, almost like a glove, right? They fit in just like a glove, and you just put. Wow, it looks almost finished already.
Yes. It's very fast.
It's very fast, and you can see the machinery. You need precise machinery, and it's going to put there, and it's going to have a precise cut, particularly for the camera, for the how do you call it? The camera area, right?
Yes.
There you go.
You can see it.
I can see. So it's just going to. There we go. Oh, and it's hold it there.
The precision side, it's come out.
Ah, okay. Then it's gonna hold it there. Then you're gonna see when he brings it out. Then you can hit the neck.
Yes.
So these two areas, they're doing the same thing. There we go. So it's been perfectly cut. A lot of things are happening. So you see the machine. So because it's a precise, you need hot glue and precise precision. That's the word. You need hot glue and precision. It's done by the gluing machine over here. It adds the adhesive there, right? And if you're seeing the pad that they're adding the smart area, the electronic components that have all been checked and verified, and they're adding them there. And you see it precisely places the glue on it, and the technician inspects it. Then she finishes it off, right? And another layer of glue. Wow, the electronic keyboard testing. So yeah, Selena, exactly what you see, right? She's testing the keyboard. So basically every key.
Yeah,
and
every key.
if it's blue, it means it's working. So she literally tests every key.
You can see the worker. They are press each button.
Every single key.
Each button to make sure if it's workable.
Right now, coming to you live in Shenzhen City, Jinba Technology Company Limited. This is the sample room. As you guys can see right behind me before I take a seat, there's so many various different lights, all been organized. Some of my favorite colors are here. So if you see underneath me, we're showing you the flashlight CNC workstation. What you'll be seeing there are the component fabrication, where they make the raw material from the aluminum, steel, and plastic. So depending which product they're making, you can see the flashlight body, bezels, and tail caps and other parts, all those interesting magnetic parts that come together. And remember last time I was talking about the craftsmanship? And you can see that they're working through some really accurate, the latest when it comes to component fabrication. So this includes machining, CNC machining with the cutting tools and
different crew.
Exactly. So especially when you see with the workmanship, especially this particular bevel. So did I tell you, I had to make something like this in school back in the day. So it was, and we had to do it manually. So you guys having the latest with CNC machines, I'm quite familiar. With metalworking, I'm familiar with metalworking and the CNC machining.
Oh, nice.
They do the material inspection, testing. It's also where they do the documentation.
Because we export to different countries.
We also had, that's where the warehousing is done. And it makes sense because the warehousing, some of the components, they need to be checked for quality before they're assembled and put together and checked afterwards. So it's also in the warehouse.
And we can admire the shipping time because we have our
in the warehouse.
Yeah.
Most things, that's why CC is because I was thinking it's very important as well, shipping time, because the warehouse is ready to ship.
Each batch we have to do the
QC every batch. So every single light has to be
people wait too long time, 15 days, and receive a broken one.
Right? Oh
no.
no. You'll be so mad.
Yeah.
So mad. You'll be really mad.
So we have to do QC seriously.
Yeah, to take it seriously, definitely. And to deliver quality products to you guys. So electrical continuity, installation, durability testing, compliance testing. Even these two fingers, even the two finger, and it's about the same size as my little finger.
Yeah.
Right? So really portable, really powerful. High lumens, IPX8 waterproof, uses Type-C charging as well. Oh, should he send him swimming? Okay. Oh wow. There you go, guys. Swimming.
Yeah.
You can even go swimming with it.
Swimming.
It's really bright. I mean, look at the light coming out from there.
Yes.
Wow, this is the only time you see lightning underwater. You see it in the sky. You can see it underwater. Yeah, we have the lightning mode. This is the CC
The waterproof is
and
serious.
the waterproof is really serious. Amazing.
Yes.
You went for
Oh.
oh, there, lightning.
Lightning, lightning,
Look,
lightning.
lightning in the bottle. Lightning in the
change.
bottle there. And you can change. There you go.
Like light.
Strobe lights in the bottle.
Oh, this is the party strobe.
Party strobe in the bottle.
That's
Oh.
the police
Police strobe, tactical strobe in the bottle.
Okay. Tap and tap.
Ah,
Okay.
it's really sensitive. There you go.
Yeah.
Tap and tap.
Yeah.
No way, that is so easy. That's so simple.
Simple.
That's so simple. So, I mean,
We say
I
this.
just-
Oh. One tap for
oh.
turbo and tap and tap.
I think like I feel like once you use one of these Wurkkos products, you don't use anything else. I feel like because it's really easy to use.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously I was learning probably, but now I know how to use it. It's tap, right? Switch on it.
Tap, yeah, black.
Really easy. Strobe mode there.
Strobe.
Wow.
Easy to make the strobe. To blind your
Blind
enemy, your
You're hunting.
yeah,
It's
your
a
hunting.
lights.
Yeah, your
So to
hunting.
blind your prey. It's
Yes,
hunting lights
and
there.
full click to just lock this mode.
Ah, then you feel
Yeah,
like it's a lock.
and 10 different signs.
It's a different.
So
yeah.
this is a tactical group, so it only have 2 models. If you want to change different, hold it. I think okay.
Uh-huh.
1, 2, 3. So the model is become more.
So the motor
So it's different group.
So it's a different group.
2 group program in this flashlight. One for 2 models and the other for 5 models. So you can use as you like. You know.
Yeah.
So this is just
Very cool.
intelligent flashlight now.
Intelligent.
And the other most important is the red beam. That I like the red beam very much.
Very much.
Because you know when you wake up at night, the red beam will not disturb others. You know.
It's interesting because when you switch on the
Yeah.
white lights, I go like this,
Yes, but
right? But when you
red beam, it's fine. It's
I
fine.
didn't even react. You
It's
just
fine.
was like, oh,
So it's very friendly to animal
Mm.
and very eco. I think it's a very eco color. The environment.
Comes with the headband, right?
Headband.
You tell me.
And you can come with a clip.
And it comes with the clip as well.
Yes.
So you guys can get it with the headband or the clip. So that's included. So, because usually when people are thinking about buying it, they're thinking they're just getting one single package. No, you're actually getting a package with the set accessories that you need.
Yes, all accessories come with.